Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VPOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of this line down here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. As far as supports are concerned, 0046 remains a level of support, as you can see there. And then taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as I talked about in yesterday's video, it's really all about the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best picture that, no questions asked. Now, that there also is perspective that goes into that, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right here and you were hoping to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, you could care less about the purple line, and the chart's looking pretty rough for you because you bought up there and now the price is down here. But I'm assuming that you care about the big picture perspective. So that's the angle that I'm doing this presentation from, is bigger picture, looking at more than just a day. We're looking at multiple days. And again, from the multiple day perspective, as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are still in full control. Now, this level here at 0058, I talked about as resistance yesterday, and the price did temporarily break up above it, but by the time the closing bell had rung, price ultimately ended up below it. So I'm still going to consider 0058 a level of resistance. I would fully agree that it was definitely weakened up today, but as it stands right now, still got to consider that a level of resistance from a technical perspective. And then the other newest area of resistance, now that we have data, is right up there at 0068. That's just the area where today the bulls tried multiple times to get up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. So 0068 is going to be that current area of resistance. But before we start talking about that one, got to get up there through 0057. So all in all, good solid day still. Big picture, the bulls are still building those higher bases, and that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.